I wanted to learn how to edit videos, like those video edits on Instagram with like the different like fandoms or like from TV shows they edit like that. I wanted to learn how to do that. My favorite part of Spot 127 was when we interviewed people at the beginning and we made, I believe, like a photo and it was like a mini podcast, and I thought that was pretty cool. I liked that. I think outside of Spot 127, especially at Dobson, I'm in a class so I can bring this information that I've learned to there also if we do like Photoshop or any other apps or any other programs that we'll use here, as well as possibly a future in like directing or shooting videos on YouTube or something. It was different from what I expected because I thought we were gonna just jump right into it with like editing like videos, but right now we're doing like we learn about it and then we do hands-on, which I find like very interesting because it's also nice as well. It was a good, different. The most difficult activity at Spot 127, so far it's been like Photoshop. We just introduced it and it's like, I don't really understand how to do it, so I was kind of like confused, but I think it's nice to have a challenge once in a while. I will continue for the next semester because I find it very fun and it's like very calming in a way to come here after school and just have fun with like separate people because I got to meet more people, and like it's very nice to see how open people are. Like even if you don't really know someone, you'll get paired up with someone different at times and then you'll get to like interact with them and hopefully you'll like talk more with them. So I find it very fun.